नमस्कार। विश्वधर्मी प्राध्यापक डॉक्टर विश्वनाथ कराड सर की कर्मभूमि MIT विद्यापीठ MIT वर्ल्ड पीस यूनिवर्सिटी के इस पुणे प्रांगण में मैं प्रसाद थोरवे आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूँ। पिछले 14 वर्षों से डॉक्टर राहुल विश्वनाथ कराड सर की परिकल्पना से MIT स्कूल ऑफ गवर्नमेंट द्वारा एशिया की सबसे बड़ी भारतीय छात्र संसद का सफल आयोजन किया जा रहा है। यह मंच देश भर के युवाओं और छात्रों को राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर एक सशक्त और प्रभावी मंच प्रदान करता है। तो चलिए विचारों के साथ, संवाद के साथ और राष्ट्र निर्माण के संकल्प के साथ इस लोकतंत्र की यात्रा की शुरुआत करते हैं। इस वर्ष से MIT वर्ल्ड पीस यूनिवर्सिटी के पृथ्वी ग्लोब से चाणक्य बिल्डिंग तक पैवेलियन की एक नई संकल्पना का आरंभ होने जा रहा है। देश को स्वतंत्रता मिले 75 वर्ष पूर्ण होने के अवसर पर इन 75 वर्षों की प्रगति का आलेख और समग्र समीक्षा इन प्रदर्शनी के माध्यम से प्रस्तुत की जाएगी। विश्वविद्यालय के विभिन्न स्कूलों और विभागों के माध्यम से यह प्रदर्शनी प्रदर्शित की जाएगी। तो चलिए इन पंडालों में एक चक्कर लगा के आते हैं।
कला में कलाकार कला को उजागर करता है, खुद को नहीं। नमस्कार, मैं प्रसाद थोरवे और भारतीय छात्र संसद के इस पैवेलियन थीम में आप सभी का स्वागत है। हम अभी आए हैं डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ डिज़ाइन के पैवेलियन में और यहाँ पे हमारे जो सारे छात्र मित्र हैं उन्होंने भारतीय कला को कैसे इवोल्यूशन हुआ है उसके बारे में ये थीम रखी है। तो चलिए हम अभी इस थीम को शुरुआत करते हैं और ये मेरी दोस्त यहाँ पे है। सो गौरी, अभी आप हमें बताइए कि आपकी ये थीम क्या है और इसमें आपने क्या क्या किया है।
Hello, my name is Gauri Vinod Nangerikar. I'm from Bachelor's in Design, India and Space Designing. So today we are showcasing some handicrafts made by our students. So basically these are terracotta tiles. They are known as Molela tiles, which is practiced in a village of Rajasthan named Molela. Basically it is hollow from inside. These are used to depict Indian culture and heritage, also the history of India. So here you can see this is story of Krishna here. They have depicted, and also how it is related to DLGP or how we want DLGP to help is that these are Indian crafts. These are handmade by our Indian localites. So it would be good if DLGP can help bring this local craftsmanship to the world and show how detailed and how uniquely we make the crafts and how important it is for the world also to know and being showcased. Thank you.
Art from Rajasthan, Udaipur. It is made with mirrors and white putty. It is used because like within a single source of light you can spread the light around all the areas in a palace or anywhere. That's why this is made in Udaipur.
Hello, myself Shreya, and I'm here to show you other local crafts from Rajasthan. So this is leather craft. So it is made by pure leather, and it is made with weaving pieces of leather together with hands, and then that is blue pottery. It is made from clay and then it is painted with different color powder and then it is glazed, hence the blue color. And here we have block printing. This is also done by hands. Everything here is handmade. And then this is Thatera craft. Now the interesting thing about this is all of these utensils or arty crafts are made by hand. They are hammered and shaped. These are basically made by from brass and copper. This timeline explains how design is related to democracy or Indian let's say economy. So basically the first design step was the design of charkha. We all know that during colonial period we all wanted to inculcate Indian handmade designs and not colonized designs. So that was the first step towards design. Then we come towards the Indian flag. Now this was the initial design for the Indian flag, which inculcated charkha. Then it evolved into the flag that we know now, which has Ashok Chakra in it. Then we have the layout of Constitution of India, which the first Constitution of India was totally handmade. It had design inculcated in it, and the whole constitution was written in calligraphy. Then we come to the logo of SAIL, that is Steel Authority of India. Then we come to EMF, which was designed and invented in 1988 by Professor Ravi Puvaiya from IIT Bombay. It was a major step for Indian democracy. Then we come to Aadhaar. Which was the first best example of mass design in India. And then UPI, obviously. Now UPI and Aadhaar are majorly linked. Then a huge step into the world of AI. And now we have AI Impact Summit going on as we speak. Thank you.
Being from a design department, our work is to how we can promote our craftsperson, our students, so they can contribute to our economy. How we can create our economy and how we can contribute to our economy. So we are training for our students for that and how we can do it ethically. Design that creates culture. Design that creates culture. Design that creates culture.